Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 287. Welcome again to the latest Business Finance Bulletin. With me, Rob Warlow from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance experts. In this bulletin, businesses prioritising growth strategies after a year of stagnation, Anna Money providing a mobile alternative to traditional bank accounts, and prompt payment code acts against habitual late payers. Well, here we are well into the beginnings of 2020, and it's great to see the mounting evidence that business owners are now seeing this as the year of growth. We've had very much a year of stagnation in 2019 with lots of uncertainty around, but it's clear that many business owners now want to put that behind them by saying enough is enough. A survey caught my eye carried out by Hitachi Capital Business Finance. They spoke to 1,200 business owners, and 77% of them said that they are now pushing and prioritising initiatives for growth. Out of that survey, 38% of them say they are planning to increase sales, and interestingly, last year 35% of them said that one of their key strategies was to reduce costs. Well, this year that figure's down to only 20%, so it's clear businesses are moving away from what I would call negative strategies, which is cost cutting, to positive strategies, which is promoting growth. So what are the three key areas that business owners are looking at? Well, first of all, diversification and innovation. Business owners said that they are looking to kind of get new clients, introduce new services, and also make more use of technology and innovation generally. Next up, investment in people. They really want to grow internal talent as opposed to look outside. So really encouraging, say, innovation within the team and also growth. Identifying skill gaps, identifying those skill gaps. All about investing in people. And the third strategy is prudential financial planning. They plan to look after cash flow, but they do more budgeting so they can take into account of any potential shocks that could be around the corner, and also do more contingency planning. So all good things that small business owners are planning to do in 2020. What are you going to do out of that list to make sure that you grow in this year? Hardly a bulletin goes by without me featuring some news about the new kids on the block, the mobile-only banks. And another one came across my desk this week, which is Anna Money. That's Anna A-double-N-A, which stands for Absolutely No Nonsense Admin, a great acronym. Now, this is a mobile-only bank, but for businesses only. It's not for individuals. So it's been designed with small businesses in mind. Now, I'm a great advocate of mobile-only banks, if only as a secondary or backup account. We saw in 2019 a number of the high street banks like NatWest and TSB suffering from IT failures. So many businesses were locked out and couldn't make payments. So it makes sense to kind of spread your risk by having a backup account. And that's where accounts like Anna Money come in. So what do they offer? Well, they're available for limited companies and sole traders. To open a bank account, all you have to do, go online, you upload all your ID, tell them what your business is, and off you go. What do they offer? Banking account services, a debit card. You can also raise invoices, manage your receipts and expenses, and in the first quarter of 2020 you'll be able to do your tax returns through them as well. So a great service there, and really one of those kind of mobile only banks that's leading the way. If you want to know more about them, just go along to their website, which is anna.money. There you'll find information about how they operate, and more importantly, how you can open an account. To close this bulletin, some great news about action being taken against habitual late payers. Now, the Prompt Payment Code, which is managed by the Chartered Institute of Credit Management, have announced that they have barred 11 members from their organisation because they have failed to meet their guidelines. Now, the guidelines are that if you want to be a member of this voluntary code, that you have to pay 95% of your invoices within 60 days. Well, 11 members failed to do that, and there's some big names who have been booted out, including BAE Systems, Shell, and many other household names as well. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. They also announced at the same time that 14 new members were reinstated after having been kicked out in November last year. So it's good to see that this code, does have some teeth, and it is changing behaviours, evidenced by the fact that some members are being allowed back in. So if you want to know more about the Prompt Payment Code, just go along to their website, which is promptpaymentcode.org.uk, and there you'll find out all the things that they're they're doing to ensure that small businesses like you don't suffer from late payment. Well, that's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. So that's it. Look forward to being with you next time. In the meantime, have a great, successful and profitable week.